Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Dusty here. I'm going to be showing you quickly today how to shorten and customize links using BitLinks or bit.ly. This is a free service. They do offer a paid version. This is not a sponsored video in any way. I use this service and it helps me so much on my YouTube channel and podcasts and things like that. So basically, let's say you have a very long link, say a link to a YouTube video. So let me show you that now. So I have a long YouTube video link, and when I go to bit.ly, now you can log in. I would recommend creating a free account. That way you can monitor your links. So if you go here, you can see all the links that I've created here. I can go and take a look at the different ones that have been clicked, how many times they've been clicked, and even who is referring those clicks. So for a business, this is fantastic. And you get like 1,000 links for free. So it's wonderful. So I would create an account. Once you're ready, click the orange create button up in the upper right hand corner. You can go here and click create. Over on the right hand side of the screen, it's going to open up where you can see where you can paste your long URL. So let's go ahead now and paste the video URL for that video. There's the video URL there. It will bring it up here in the right hand side. It'll give you the title of the video, which is wonderful, or the title of the website, whatever it may be. And then basically you can create your own title up here. So basically, title, link, here, like that there. And then basically what you can see here is you can customize the back half of the URL. And people know who BITLY is. They've seen these links before. So it's not like they're going to see it and be like, oh, that's a fraud or that's a spam link. They're going to know that it is validated and it is a legit link. Now, the beauty of customizing the back half, now obviously if the link URL is taken, then you can't, but as you can see here, I did a Streamlabs tutorial. I called it, bit.ly/slobs tutorial. That way, when I post it in my video link or my video description of the video or the podcast or wherever I'm putting that shortened link, you can now see that it looks cleaner. It's got a nice little title to it. And then when you're ready, click save down at the bottom right-hand side of the screen. Once you've created that link, you can see here, you can now copy it. You can copy that link by clicking copy like that there. It'll copy it to your clipboard, whether you're on a Mac or a PC. You can share the link by clicking share. It'll bring it up. Where do you want to share it? Twitter, Facebook, places like that. And then once you're done with the link, you can X out once you've saved it, and you can see where you're getting your clicks from, how many clicks you're getting total, where those clicks are from. There's so much data, so much information, and it's a wonderful tool if you're trying to shorten and clean up your links that will allow you, and it's a free tool to start off, that will allow you to see who is clicking your links and allow you to condense them to make them look better wherever you want to put them. Hopefully this was helpful. If it was, let me know by liking the video, sharing it with your friends and family, and I will see you guys in the next video.